children, we are going to see the fifth sum. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 0, 1, 4, 3, 1, -1. So then for the solution we are writing the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the point 0, 1 we are just substituting in the equation. So we will be getting this point 2f plus c equal to -1. Then next point we are taking 4, 3 and again it lies on equation A. Again we are substituting. So x as 4 and y as 3. Okay, then we are getting this as 8g plus 6f plus c and 16 plus 9 is 25. Then what we are doing, we are taking this constant this side. So 8g plus 6f plus c is equal to -25. So let this be equation 2. Then we are just taking the third point 1, -1. So since 1, -1 lies on A. So therefore x is 1 and -1 is y. So 1 square plus -1 the whole square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into -1 plus c is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to, that is here plus 2 equal to 0. Then 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to -2. So let this be equation 3. So using these three equations we are going to solve it and we are going to find out the value of c, f and g. So I am going to solve this both the equation. So solving 2 and 3. So that means 8g plus 6f plus c is equal to -25. Then 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to -2. So here 8g is there. I am going to just multiply by 4 in the equation 3. So 8g plus 6f plus c is equal to -25. Then here 3 into 4. So that means 8g minus, here 4 in the sense minus 8f plus here 4c, here -8. So you just change the sign. So it will get cancelled. Here what will happen, this 14f, that is 14f, here is -3c and here is -17. So let this be, that is 14f minus 3c equal to -17. So let this be equation 4. So now we are going to solve the equation. Solve equation 1 and 4. So 2f plus c equal to -1. Then 14f minus 3c equal to -17. Then same wise I am going to solve the 3 and 4. So that means I am going to just multiply this 1 into 3. So that implies 6f plus 3c equal to -3. Then 14f minus 3c equal to -17. Then you just get cancelled. So 20f is equal to -20. Then f equal to -20 by 20. Then f is equal to -1. So now I am going to substitute this f equal to -1 in equation 1. So substitute f is equal to -1 in equation 1. So 2f plus c is equal to -1. So 2 into -1 plus c equal to -1. -2 plus c is equal to -1. So c is equal to -1 plus 2. Then c is equal to +1. Again what I have to do, I have to find out the g value. So I am going to substitute in any one of the equation to find out the g value. So substitute c is equal to 1 and f is equal to minus 1 in 3. So 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. So 2g minus 2 into minus 1 then plus 1 equal to minus 2. Then 2g plus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Then 2g plus 3 equal to minus 2. Then 2g equal to minus 2 minus 3. Then g is equal to minus 5. Then g is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we are going to substitute this. Now substitute f is equal to minus 1, c equal to 1 and g is equal to minus 5 by 2 in equation A. Okay, so in the equation A is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2 into minus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 5x then minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So therefore this is the required equation.